I like this outfit. It's really cute. The skirt is a bit big on me. I was gonna wear like a t-shirt top, but I think I'll just do that later. I super feel like some kind of college librarian student exchange teacher. What? I'm putting on glasses because I am about to study in a little bit, and I also just filmed a video wearing this outfit. But hi! What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Nicole, and today we're gonna be starting a new series in this channel called Manila Diaries. And I just want to quickly mention that I got the idea for Moya's Dublin Diaries and Birdie's Student Diaries. So thank you for the idea, guys. I currently live in Metro Manila, which is why it's called Manila Diaries. In this series, I guess I'm gonna let you guys in on more of my life. I'm a college student right now, taking up BA Behavioural Sciences in the University of the Philippines, Manila. And this is my senior year, hopefully. No joke. Calling it. This is my senior year, of course. I'm gonna graduate. Anyway, I'm gonna take this off just because I'm not studying. I might condition myself, unlearn my little trick to be more focused with my studies, which is putting on glasses. Right now, I have a bunch of requirements to catch up on, especially since a lot of my time this past few days have been dedicated to reading and sharing posts about how you can help the victims of the recent typhoons here in the Philippines, and also filming and collecting clothes to donate. So yeah, now I'm really just catching up. Yeah, I have my coffee right here, and it's really strong. This is cold brew. I allowed myself to get a lot of sleep last night, but I woke up this morning really groggy. We're getting on with today and checking off a bunch of stuff on my checklist. Hi guys, I just put on a different shirt because I'm going outside. Not like super outside, just in the driveway to get the water that I collected this morning. Yes, I have to collect water because we do not trust the water station or the tap. I go to my cousin's house and get water from their water filter machine. But yeah, I left it in the car, so we're just gonna go get that now. This is Loki. Say hi. Say hi. He knows how to go up and down the spiral staircase. Over here are my cats. This is Salt. This is Halo. Bean! Come here. This is Bean. Okay, so we're back in the room, and this is the shirt I was wearing out. But it's all wet now, and I think I'm just gonna this is like a bralette, but it passes as a top. Alright guys, so since I finished a bunch of stuff, I can now check some boxes off my planner. I got water, picked up cookies, treated myself, did the LBC video, did the cup sheet video, and it is almost 1 o'clock. It's 12:54. Whoop! I should wear my watch. So for the rest of the day, I have to do 2 integration papers, come up with a case study topic, email my barangay, and make a circle necklace set that was ordered for me. Oh, and then I also have to edit the LBC video and send it by today. So we have a lot going on. I'm just gonna put these back in my closet, and I'll get back to you. So before I get into my ACADS and dive into it, I'm going to do a little bit of journaling because I've been reflecting and thinking of a lot of things, and I just really want to get it down in my journal. And right now I'm using kind of bad timing because I just started a new journal, but I got sent some journals from local notebook companies. So this one's from Hiraya Journal, and it opens really well, guys, and it's dotted and white and 160 or 180 GSM. You can use watercolor with this. Super love it. And then I also have a journal from Viviamo, and this is the Quest journal, and it's more of the refillable type and it has pockets. Yeah, so this one has lined, planed, and even dotted notebook refills that you can choose from. I'm very excited to use these. Maybe I'll use them for different things. I am a singer-songwriter, so I can probably use this for my songwriting, which is exciting. I think that's what I'm gonna use for this one. Then this one, maybe it can be like my art journal. But right now, this one, I'm not really gonna promote it because they discontinued making it. I bought this like 3 years ago. I bought them in bulk. Anyway, I'm just gonna get into that and use some of these washi tapes I have. This one's from my Shopee shop. Yeah, I made these. Anyway, everything's linked in the description box.
Maybe this is what we get in life, a few great loves. Loves that return us to ourselves when we need it most.
I was wondering, would it be possible if I use my own packaging for all of them? Meron kasi isang beses, require ako ilagay dun sa parcels nila.
Okay. Bali, ang gusto niyo pong gamitin is yung own pouch nyo, pero ang courier pa rin is as is kung ano yung meron sa shop nyo.
Yeah.
Kaganon po kasi, definitely ilalagay po nila yan sa pouch nila.
I see. Aww.
Good celebrating po.
Thank you, you too. Ingay. Oh! I'm really stressed out. So outside of this room is like really noisy. There is a motorcycle shop that was just put up outside my room. So I've been working here, but I don't think that this space is conducive for working anymore because it's the room that's closest to the outside world, which is like the noisy world. So instead of finishing my requirement today, I've decided to go just get all the mess out of my studio so that I can finally start working there. It's a good investment of my time because at least I'll be able to work properly for the rest of the week, and since it's a Monday, I think it would be a good way to start this week. Alright, so this is my studio. This is so embarrassing. I don't even know why I'm showing you guys. But this is my studio and it's so messy. That's supposed to be the desk where I work and everything's just everywhere. It's so disgusting. I am so clumsy. I wasted all this glitter. It fell. I just made a bigger mess because I took out stuff from my bodega, which was inside there, and now everything's on the floor. So we're gonna clean this up. We have some progress. Yes, yes, progress. Just this left. So this is my desk, and then this used to be like a bodega, just where I'd like throw stuff in. Now I moved my desk here, my shelf drawers for my resin molds, my washi tapes, my projects, my stuff, my tools. I put some pictures that I found lying around, memorabilia, random stuff that I use. This is mostly the boxes of tamba, and just more everyday stuff, and I put that up there. So yeah, that's why I'm gonna be working on my jewelry now. What I like the most is that my floor is gonna be so much easier to sweep and clean now. Yes. I still need to get rid of the stuff there and organize those things, but I slept at like 4 a.m. last night. Woke up at, what time is it? I need my watch. We're kind of matching. Yeah. Well, it's unfair because my shoes are kind of high. So I decided to freshen up na din and dress up, get out of my pajamas, and I put on my watch. So it is now 9:23. So it's really sunny outside. I am going to just finish one order, and then today we're gonna be working on some papers. I'm gonna sweep just a little bit more. You know, I feel like when you clean your room and your room's clean, you have more of an urge to keep it clean as compared to when it's messy. Anyway, I think I'm also gonna change. Yeah. So we're doing a yearbook, and I just have to fill this up. It's already like the deadline actually. They're doing this like mobile graduation shoot, but I'm just gonna take my own picture. Yay! Okay, so here's the set that I made. It's gonna be out for shipping today. That's cute. Yep, these are the baby's breath white flowers that have just been pressed, and I'm just gonna put them in this little container. I made a bunch all at the same time, so this is what I used to play Scrabble. Pretty. Alright, so I just need to read all 28 pages of this. Crazy. And then I have to answer the activity. Also, my coffee's all gone and I'm not sure if I should make another one for the afternoon. Maybe in a little bit. I think I'll just read through this first and see how I feel. Good morning, guys. My hair is still unbrushed and messy, as you can see. But I think that I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm not sure how long this vlog's gonna be, but I'm really happy that you guys stayed until this point of the video. If you did, please comment down below. Star emoji, any kind, any of your favorite star emojis. As you saw, I started my day off really strong and happy, and I think that the way that you start off your day really defines the rest of it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to click the thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet, and click on the bell button if you want to get notified every single time I post a video. That's all that I have for you guys today. I hope that I see you in my next video. Till then, I love you guys so much. Hugs and besos. Stay safe.